Hello friends, now that you have started your self-employment as a taxi driver or with taxi, after some time you need some parts. Today I will provide you information about where you get that parts in the market. First of all, we have to replace our basic parts like tires of our car which are worn after running from 10,000 to 20,000 kilometers. First of all, the front tires of the car are worn. Many times a customer complains that the tires in the vehicle are getting worn out more than one side. So in this case, it has to be seen that how is the condition of your vehicle. How are you driving the vehicle when if the wheel alignment of your vehicle is not good, the tire of the vehicle can be worn from one side to the other. Sometimes the tire of the vehicle is more wearer than the inside, or it is more wear than the outside. Here I want to tell you a little bit that there is a wheel alignment of the tires ahead of the car. Different types of angles also come inside the wheel alignment, about which I will tell you a little bit. The first angle is a camber angle. If you look at the car from the front, then the front tire of the car is slightly outward from the upper side and slightly inward from the lower side. In this way, the angle that is made, we call it a positive camber angle. It is very important to be in the vehicle. Now I will provide you little information about the benefits of positive camber angle. First of all, when you are sitting in the car, the tire of your car tries to be straight, and due to the cambered angle, the tire wear is same. If you do not keep the camber angle in the car, when you sit in the car or try to drive, the upper part of the tire will be slightly inward and the bottom part will come out, which will increase the wear of the tire. In these situations, different types of camber angle are given in the every vehicle. If the camber angle of your vehicle is not correct, then the tire of the car will be worn. After this, the next angle is called caster angle. Like the wheels mounted under a revolving chair, we are also called caster angle. The wheels are slightly forward because the load does not come in the middle directly. The main function of the caster angle is that this angle keeps the steering of the vehicle very light, but it has no relation with the wear of the tire. Another angle in the vehicle, which we call toe in and toe out angle. Nowadays, whenever the wheel alignment is set, it is the toe in it, because many cars have camber angle fixed. Then only toe in angle is set in this car. Now I will give you a little information about toe in and toe out angle. If we see the car with our eyes, we will not know whether it is toe in or toe out. Toe in means the tire are from the front to the inside and from the back to the outside. If you measure the tire from front to back, then the distance of the rear side of the tire will be more and less than the front side. Let me tell you a little bit about why this happens when the car runs on the road and due to slight increase in speed, the toe out angle tries to exit. In that condition, If the toe is not and the toe out increases, so the car tire will try to pull the car toward you and other tire will try to pull it toward you. The side whose toe will be outwardly, the car will go to that side. You will have to handle the steering again and again. If you leave the steering loose on the road, then the car will always try to escape one side. If the toe of both the tires of the car is absolutely right, then it will try to keep the vehicle in the middle of the road, due to which your car keeps running perfectly. That is why wheel alignment is very important, because inside it we only set the toe in. So it is important to have the wheel alignment of the car time to time. If the wheel alignment of the car is not correct, then as I told you earlier, the car will try to run to one side, and if the toe will increase more, then it will also try to skid. So it is very important to get the wheel alignment of the vehicle done from time to time. It does not incur any charges. Whenever you get the car service, do the wheel alignment along with it. With this comes another things, that you must get the tires balanced. Wheel balancing is of two types, dynamic balancing and static balancing. If the wheel balancing of the tires of your vehicle is not correct, then when your car goes on the road and will catch a little speed, then your car will start to tremble, wobbling, which also affected the steering. The skilled mechanic who goes to get the wheel alignment done can also do wheel balancing at the same time. It is often seen that the front tire of the car wear out very quickly. The main reason for this is that whenever we bend the car, the wear of the front tire is more many times, and man gets worried as to why the front tires wear out quickly. If you want the tires of the car to wear all at once, you can also do tire rotation. Tire rotation means that after a short time, the rear tires of the vehicle can be applied forward and the front tire can be rear warded. If you do not do the rotation of the tire properly, then your tire will run longer and they will wear equally. You can also do that if the front tire are worn, then you can change only the front tires. Now I will tell you what kind of tire you should buy for the car and where to buy it, because duplicate tires are also available in the market nowadays. Many times you get brand new tires and a very low rate, so it may be that it has been rejected by the tire company, and even if it is looks brand new, then you see that tire cheaper, but they are not guaranteed. These types of tire get torn after running for a while. You cannot take any claim without guarantee. So buy the company's tire from the dealer appointed by the company, which is also guaranteed to you, so that if it is premature gets bad, you get a replacement. If your tire get cut somewhere and you have taken it from the authorized dealer or the company, then it also gets replaced. So we should take it from the dealer authorized by the tire company. After this, we do the next thing of the battery. Many companies also make the battery of the car. The battery duplicate market is also very big. In this, many shopkeepers return the same to you by taking the old battery from you, repairing it a little bit or brightening it up. little bit, but there is no guarantee. So therefore, the battery should always be taken from the authorized dealer by the company, because along with buying the battery, we also get the guarantee of the product, so that if it gets damaged prematurely, then we can get it replaced in time. If you buy a battery of a company, its guarantees is at least 3 years. During that time, if anything happens to your battery, the company replaces it. After this, we talk about the seat cover of the car. The ready-made seat covers made of some vehicles are available in the market. If you do put seat cover, then the seat inside are spoiled and it is very difficult to wash them due to being dirty. For this, you can also sew the seat cover of your choice from where you will get seat cover sewn. They have a lot of fabric variety, so you can sew anything of your choice by choice of them. Nowadays, there are different types of seat covers in the market. You can also make cotton seat covers and get leather seat covers, but in summer the leather cover gets heated very quickly. For this, you will have to recover the cotton cover over it. After this, different types of perfumes are available in the market to smell the vehicle, fragrance the vehicle. When the vehicle is closed for a long time, it does not allow the air to drain. When we sit in the car, right away there is a different types of smell for which perfumes can be used. As soon as you own the AC or blower, the scent will spread around the car. By doing this, the environment inside the car will be good and the ride that is sitting in your car will also look good. Now I will tell you that if you want to buy some more accessories like wheel cover or car, then how do you buy? For this, you should visit 2-3 shops in the market where you get good material, and you should buy from where you get cheaper. Along with this, you should also have a toolkit in your vehicle. You should have complete knowledge about that toolkit, as you may need it anytime.